Target. Let's check out the Disney store. Okay, so here we have The Incredibles 2. Look at this. Look at Minnie. And there's Pooh Bear. The Disney princesses. Aww. It's like you feel like you're in Disney World or Disneyland when you come in here. Look at what they have. Star Wars. And here are some of the action figures. Those are $19.99. And then along the bottom, $22.99. They have the Blu-ray. Very nice, guys. Let's see what they have over here. So here they have some pajamas and some throw blankets. Throw blankets are $16.99 and the pajamas are $16.99. Here they have some Minnie and Mickey shorts, some apparel. Look at that dress, oh my goodness. And the little push cart. The doll stroller. And guys, they have Bo Peep. Isn't that nice? And over here they have $39.99. They have Mickey and Minnie over there. And down here, $19.99, $15.99. And they have their apparel. So the apparel, this is the bathing suit. This is $39.95 for this bathing suit right here. Then they have this denim jacket. I don't think I see a price. Oh, look how pretty. Then they have the backpack, guys. So the backpack is $26.95, and then they have the little sweaters and the little shoes on the bottom. And they're $9 for each of them. Okay. Okay, so here are all the stuffed animals, and those are $19.99, and then $12.99, $20, $14.52, and then the little ones down there are $4.99. Then you have the tote, the bathing suit, and some of the clothing. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I feel like a little kid in here. Okay, so now you have, look at this. His and her cups, Mickey and Minnie. Okay, and then you have the little storybooks on the bottom. Those are $11.69, $12.99, and $15.29. Then you come over here, you look at this. How cute. You have Toy Story there. Mickey and Minnie. Here's some more princess dolls. Look at that huge one right there. I think that one is, which princess is that one? I'm not sure the names, guys, but that one is $15.99. Then you have the mermaid. Then you have these dolls right here, the small action figures down there, $24.99. Then you have these, guys. How beautiful. Look at this. All I see is bling. Look at that. You know, I would use this myself. I really would. Let's see how much that is. $26.95. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the little princess purse. How much is that? Let me see. $18.95. And here's the iridescent rainbow one. Look at those shoes. Oh, totally awesome. And look, guys, look. I'm loving it. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the outfits. This is Woody. and I think this is Buzz. Okay, this is Buzz. Wow, how beautiful, guys. Look at them. So I think, let's see if I can. Okay, they're named. So this is Elsa, and this is Anna, and this is Aurora. That's Anna. This is Belle. This is Ariel, Rapunzel, and Aurora. And there's the princess dress. So this is the whole Paw Patrol area. Okay. And okay. Ryan's World. Transformers Rescue. Look at that Toy Story. Oh my goodness, that's $49.99, and then you have those Peppa Pig. That is so nice. You have the games. And here's some more dolls. Guys, thank you for coming with me to see the Disney store inside of Target. And I'll see you guys in another video.